Alright, Game Cooker US Rocks VR here again. Somebody was asking me about my 4090 and the Zotac Amped Edition, I guess, or just my card in general. They wanted to know how loud the fan noise was. So if there was any coil whine. It's going to be a little hard for me to do that because my CPU fan is so loud. But I'm going to do my best here. So I'm going to change the fan speeds as I go. So right now, the card is at 44 degrees Celsius. And the fan speed is at 30%. I don't know how we're going to be able to do this, but I'm putting the microphone right next to the fans. That noise that you hear is the CPU fan. Okay. So there's like really no noise. So I'm going to turn up the fan speed to 60%. And you'll the card will really never go that loud. And I usually have it standing up too. Which changes the sound. So there it was there. And here it is at 40%. And again, I mean, when the fans ramp up, I mean, you can hear something, but not from, like, far away. You know what I mean? Unless it's, like, over 50%. You know? Like, if I can... I'll put the phone near the card. Right? And change the speed. So that's at 30. That's at 40. Now when you start getting up to like 50, then you start hearing it. And this is with the phone right up against it. So that's at 50. Or 60, sorry. So, I mean... And that's at off. So, I don't know, you tell me. I mean, my computer's under the desk, so it's not really much of a bother, the noise. But again, it really doesn't ever go above like 30, 30%. So the fans, you don't really hear them moving at all. So like right now, the fan is not even on, and it's at 32 degrees Celsius. So the fans don't even kick on, I think, until like 40 degrees. So if you're not over 40 degrees Celsius, the fans won't ever come on, which is just quite crazy. So I don't know if this was a good example here with the phone, but I personally don't have a problem with the noise. But again, I'm not ramping the fans up to over 50% either, so I don't really see a need to. Even overclocking, you don't even have to put the fans at 50%. But these cards really don't need to be overclocked. You just put the power target to 110%, and then the voltage up to 10 or 20% increase, and the card will overclock itself according to the voltage and the power target. So that's it. I haven't had an issue with my card because, again, the fans never ramp up above 50%. So it's not really an issue for me. All right. Hope that helps. Bye.